Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a bike check on, well, this thing. So basically the story behind this bike is I found it at this huge garage sale slash like thrift store type sale, and there were like literally hundreds of bikes there. They had just unloaded them off like this huge Walmart trailer. I think they were just like a bunch of like Walmart bikes that were returned, but they're really nice ones, and I actually scored this really nice 2014 Dk Cleveland today, so I'll show you. Okay guys, so what this is a 2014 Dk Cleveland. I found this at like a thrift store. They had a bunch of bikes there. And I picked this one up for actually like 35 bucks, so it was a pretty good deal. I really like the bike. It's really solid. It's like barely ever used. There's just a couple scratches on it, but I'll go ahead and show you the parts on it. The thing's got a really sick seat on it. It's like a zombie themed bike, so it's got like a really skinny zombie seat on it. Not the most comfortable thing in the world. Handlebars on this thing are just some Dk chromoly handlebars. It looks like, to me, I was measuring, it looked like a 8-inch rise. They're pretty comfortable bars. We've just got some Dk bicycle PC pedals. These are pretty comfortable pedals, brand new anyway. I don't know how they are when they're used, but yeah. Stem for this thing is a Dk, just a steel stem. It's nothing fancy, but it does a job. I like the logo on it, and a really good looking KMC golden chain. This is a stock chain. I just have a master link on there, nothing too great, but we have a 25 tooth Dk bicycle, regular type sprocket made out of steel. We have a Dk fork, chromoly fork. This is a really nice sturdy fork. It is just a regular type fork, nothing too special, but it's nice and sturdy and I like it. We have a really nice Dk green single-walled rims. They're nothing too special, like I said before, but they're real nice rims, and I like the color of them. Rim, the same thing, a single-wall green Dk rim. Really nice rims, though. I have nothing to say negative about these. Really sturdy. Got a lot of positive things about these. For the cassette, we have a really nice Dk, really loud and really smooth cassette. I'll give you all a demonstration here in a second. We have a really sick Dk Cleveland frame. I believe the top tube is 20.3 or 20.5. Again, another thing I could not find the details on, but the logos on this thing are just pretty cool looking. They got the zombies on there and look pretty petrified.